Okay, Renee has her drone. She's taking it up. Okay, so we're on the trail. So Renee's better than me on this because I practiced yesterday with my drone and Renee is going cold turkey here with the drone. Is that what you would call this?
Yeah.
Yeah, cold turkey.
It's appropriate for Thanksgiving.
Yeah, it is.
Okay. And we're walking.
And we're walking.
So that way.
Okay. Okay, so we are walking and Renee has the drone above us and she is droning us, which is kind of cool. And we're walking through this. It's a beautiful, beautiful forest in an amazingly beautiful fall day. We're coming up, Renee. We're now at the top of the D. Oh, Renee is doing her drone. There's Renee and her drone. And the D is right below us. It's windy. Of course it's windy. Anytime we get to the top of a letter, there's going to be lots of wind. So Renee is like probably the most bravest person in my world. I do not feel this brave, but she feels very brave. Yeah. Yeah. Oh. Hi. Oh. Oh, very cool. Hi. Are we in your landing spot? Yes, we are very happy.
Really cool. From eagle to drone.
That's us. Oops. There she is. I will say this. This is the best landing spot we've ever had. Is it happy? Does it want to land? Oh my God. That is literally the best landing ever.
You didn't have to catch it or nothing.
I know, right? Didn't have a warning sign afterwards. Thank you.